Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Montessori orientation for parents, guardians of enrolled Montessori students.
2024、2025學年度 Montessori 家長說明會開始。
Okay, let us introduce to you our president, Dr. Judelio Yap.
咱的校長葉啟明博士。
Our vice president for academic affairs, Dr. Roland Strong.
咱的副校長蔡正勇博士。
Our administrators,
咱的幼稚園主管
Ms. Marilyn Tan Siong Kun, Director, Wong Chun Seng Memorial Preschool and Montessori.
總主任李佩瑩。
Our supervisor for preschool, Ms. Janet Lee.
委員主任楊晶晶。
Our supervisor for Montessori, Ms. Karen Go.
Montessori 主任丁仁仁。
Our Chinese coordinator, Ms. Ngar Shan Xia.
中文組長張雅珊。
Our office staff.
辦公室職員
Let's start off with Ms. Henny Lynn Melon and Mary Joy Taginon.
洪慧玲、Mary Joy Taginon。
Our faculty,
咱的先生
Ms. Debbie Ko, Catherine Lim, Manling Chan, Dulce Yu, Christine Ang Hock Sing, and Miss Evangeline Chua.
丁美珍老師、李佩玲老師、陳真麗老師、丁美璇老師、黃玉兒老師、蔡雅君老師。
We also have Karen Go, Miss Janet Lee, Julie Shi, Josephine Yap, Nancy Tang, Henny Lynn Melon, Charlotte Go, and Linetsky Villanueva.
丁仁仁老師、楊晶晶老師、徐婉儀老師、吳彬彬老師、陳蘭詩老師、洪慧琳老師、吳善如老師、Linetsky Villanueva。
This is our Montessori D. Okay, we have our Montessori A, B, and C. We will be using the gate 4.
咱 Montessori A 班、B 班及 C 班是要用4號大門入去。
For Montessori D, we will be using Dr. Allen Rojas building, which is the gate 1, ground floor of the Padre Algue side.
咱 Montessori D 班是要按張兆寧博士大樓的正門入去。
We have a staggered class schedule starting July 16 until July 26.
咱臨時上課點鐘是對7月16號到7月26號。
From July 16 to July 26, the nursery students until the pre-K would be coming in from 8 in the morning until 9:15 a.m. For the afternoon session, 2 o'clock up to 3:30 p.m. These are for the new students. For the old student, from July 16 until July 26, the pre-kinder would come by 9:30 in the morning until 11 a.m. And for the afternoon, 12:30 until 1:45 p.m.
臨時上課的點鐘，若是新生頭一擺入來 Montessori 班上課，是7月16號到7月16號，上班的點鐘，早起班是8點到9點15，下晡班是2點到3點半。你若是舊生，捌讀 Montessori 班的小朋友，中班、 上午班的點鐘是9點半到11點，下午班是12點半到1點15。
From July 16 until July 26, the kindergarten, this is a whole day program. So Montessori A, B, and C, if you are enrolled in the morning class, you would come by 9:30 until 11 o'clock a.m. For Montessori D, which is the Montessori Academic Extension Program, if you are enrolled in the afternoon classes, you will be coming in from 12:30 until 3:30 p.m.
臨時上課點鐘對大班，大班的小朋友是讀全日咯。你若是 Montessori A 班、B 班及 C 班，咱是要用4號大門入去。上課點鐘是9點半到1點。Montessori D 班，咱是要用張兆寧博士帶路遐入去。下晡的點鐘是12點半到3點半。
For July 16 until July 26, Montessori D, if you are enrolled in Montessori D morning class, you would be using the Dr. Allen Rojas building. You would be coming in from 8 in the morning until 11 o'clock a.m. Now, if you are in Montessori C in the afternoon, you would be coming in by 12:30 p.m. until 1:45 p.m.
大班是讀全日咯，所以講恁早起班是Montessori D 班，恁就是要用那個張兆寧博士大樓上這個門入去。上課點鐘是8點到1點，然後恁就再倒去食這。下晡恁若屈來，恁就是上Montessori C，恁就是按4號大門入去。下午班的點鐘是12點半到1點15。
For the regular time schedule, we will be starting our regular schedule from July 29 onwards. For nursery students, the morning session starts at 8 in the morning until 11 a.m. For the afternoon, 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. For the pre-kindergarten, morning starts at 8 in the morning until 11 a.m. and afternoon classes from 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. For kindergarten, morning starts at 8 until 11 a.m. and afternoon from 12:30 up to 3:30 p.m.
正式上課的點鐘是對7月20號開始拜一。你是讀小班的小朋友，早起班上課的點鐘是8點到1點，下午班是12點半到3點半。中班的小朋友就是懷4歲的小朋友，早起班上課的點鐘是8點到1點，下午班是12點半到3點半。大班是讀全日咯，所以早起上課的點鐘是8點到1點，下午是12點半到3點半。請恁來合上。
For Montessori A, B, and C, on July 22 onwards, parents, guardians will only be allowed to bring their children up to the gate only. Students will be assisted by school personnel in going to their respective classrooms. During dismissal, parents and guardians with the official gate pass shall be allowed to fetch their children from their respective classrooms.
對7月22號開始星期一，家長只是發通接送囡仔到門學校，然後一個教職員會幫助在學生送到班內。恁若有入門證咯，恁就有法通帶囡仔去班內帶囡仔搭倒去。
For Montessori D, on July 22 onwards, parents and guardians will only be allowed to bring their children up to the gate. Students will be assisted by school personnel in going to respective classrooms. During dismissal, parents and guardians with the official gate pass shall be allowed to fetch their children from their respective classrooms.
12開始，囡仔只是可能接生，家長只可能接生囡仔到門口口，然後嗰個囡仔係去班內咯。嗱，我哋門診咯，恁就有法通接生囡仔去班內接生囡仔。
This is a Montessori a program.
這個是
Okay, so kindly
Montessori，
take a picture.
這個是 Montessori 嘅課程表，上午班嘅課程表，請恁家合上。這個是 Montessori 下午班嘅課程表。
Montessori PM class schedule.
請恁家合上。
This is the Montessori D morning class. Kindly take a picture.
這個是加強班延伸課程嘅課程表，請恁家合上。
How do teachers assess and keep track of the students' progress? Now, for Montessori, we use a daily observation sheet to keep track of the works that the children choose from the shelf and those works that were presented or suggested to them during the day. We transfer and compile all these observations to the students' tracking list, which contains the scope and sequence of all the Montessori works. We mark each work as follows: presented, practice, needs more practice, or mastered. These daily recordings will help the teachers plan for each child's lesson the following week.
先生怎啊評量囡仔嘅學習進度？阮會用每日嘅觀察表來記錄。先生所教嘅操作，該記起來，看伊會曉，還是袂曉，還是着欠用加強。
We also use the Transparent Classroom app to keep the parents updated weekly on their child's activities in school. The teachers will post pictures of their work as well as write feedback about how they are doing.
阮也是會用 Transparent Classroom app，按一搭家長會看到囡仔咧學啥，有時囡仔咧操作，阮會甲伊合上傳咧 Transparent Classroom。
Okay, this is the Montessori teaching approach.
教學嘅方式。
We have 5 learning areas: practical life, sensorial, language, mathematics, and integrated culture.
Montessori 有個學習區、日常生活區、感官學習區、語文區，大班有中文、有英文、有非語、數學區、文化區。
Okay, for the practical life, what do we learn? Okay, we teach the students grace and courtesy, control and coordination of movement, art, care for oneself, and care for environment.
日常生活區咧學啥？就是咧學歷數，咧訓練因嘅小肌肉，咧訓練照顧家己、照顧環境，創一個未來。
Children develop coordination, order, independence, and concentration.
兒童能發展協調、秩序、獨立和集中的能力。
Okay, for the sensorial, we have the visual, olfactory, auditory, tactile, and gustatory.
第二區就是感官學習區，囡仔用到因嘅視覺、 嗅觉、听觉、触觉和味觉。
For mathematics, counting numbers up to 10, decimal system, counting beyond 10, memorization of arithmetic facts, passage to abstraction, and fractions.
算术库对，咱来教囡仔怎啊升至90十的计算，十进位的算法至98，十以上的算法就是会进位数个十百千。数学的记忆就是包括加减乘分、抽象数学和分数。
For language, we have the spoken, the reading, and writing.
第四学习库就是語庫，咱嚟教伊怎學講話、學講、學讀、甲學寫。
Okay, for culture, this one is integrated already. They teach history, geography, and science.
最後嘅庫是文化區，嗱，就包括時間、科學和地理。
Okay, these are some reminders.
這個要提醒嘅
Okay, first is the gate pass.
入門證。
Okay, kindly prepare one copy of 1 by 1 photos of your child and each fetcher with relationship to the child written at the back of each picture. So for example, the name of the father, and then you write father down below, or grandmother, or helper, or mother.
請您準備一本一個相，然後按後邊應該寫伊嘅名，甲什麼關係？看是爸爸咯，還是媽媽咯，還是傭人？然後呢，創了交託先生。
On the first day of school, students will be given student information sheet. Please fill out the details and submit to your teacher on or before July 26.
頭一日，阮嘅本土學生一個信息表，這個是信息表，請恁該填，然後第7月6號以前就交託先生。
Now, how do I know which section my child belongs to? You can access the child section via the student portal. Just click classes.
你們怎啊知影？恁囡仔讀什麼班啊？恁個是按學生門戶看。你若知影咯，先生創一個群，那問題咱就按遐三角講，三角問。
Okay, this is our new uniform for the year. For girls, please wear the school uniform with white knee socks and black closed shoes.
這個就是咱新嘅校服，女嘅校服是穿一款，然後恁個穿長嘅白白甲黑嘅白黑嘅。
Okay, for the boys, polo and pants, wear white low-cut socks and black closed shoes. Now, if the uniform is still unavailable, just wear casual attire.
男嘅校服就是一款，恁穿安尼，然後塊白白甲黑嘅。若無校服，恁就是穿便服，入來學堂上課。
Okay, these are the things that we need to bring. First, snacks. We only encourage healthy food, no junk food, please. And this snack should be placed in a small container. Water. Please label the water jug. We only allow water, no milk or juice. Hygiene kit, which includes face mask, tissue, and wipes. Extra shirts, long pants, socks, a small towel, and underwear. Place them in a plastic bag labeled with the child's name. Also include a washable mug or plastic bag for soiled clothes. And kindly bring an indoor shoes, easy enough for the child to wear by himself or herself. Put it in a bag with label.
咱就應該帶啥？咱就添應帶點心，囡仔點心摕一個小盒啊，來注明咱帶一個健康的食食。我無可能恁帶零食，然後恁個家己帶家己的水， 一个水班也是家己煮名，我家己卫生包，内面摕口罩、卫生纸、淡纸巾，了后下面带一束衫，万一若淡咱就头换，束衫、裤、白、裙啊、内衫、内裤，了后加带一双鞋，摔来的鞋，一定要穿。
Okay, now how do we access the student portal? Okay, how to use the student portal? Kindly take note of this one. First, you must log in to my.cksc.edu.ph. Please use the child's school email account provided to you.
要怎啊入去学生门户啊？恁个是要摕囡仔的 student number，然后什么年、什么月、甲日子生的。然後按照恁個是看恁要choose the books 個吼，恁會做choose books and new student uniform. There's a T-shirt, school bag，所以是包括伫迄個 books 內面咯，兩種參底下咯。Uniform T-shirt already included in the book fee. Pants, school bag, envelope, rubber shoes, everything, all options for you to avail or not. Sige si payment online. How to pay online? Please have a screenshot. When payment is done, please take a screenshot of proof of payment and upload to the student portal. Shining kay Hapsyong, sige. So nga upload ta. How to upload the proof of payment to the student portal? You choose payment confirmation for uploading tuition fee receipt and book assessment. Then write the student number, write the last name, choose tuition fee, choose tuition for uploading the tuition fee receipt. Fill in the details. Then payment confirmation, it's a success. Lang kini ateng有专车要来接送囡仔，恁若有兴趣，你会做按这个 QR code 登记。先稍等者啊，可是无 internet，隔壁无 internet，但稍等者，wait lang ha，安尼网络的关系。 So this is school services, but hindi na interested. Hindi na sa QR code register. Din siya mibig mangay ba? Din ang chat box at so kay type asibe mang siya.
Teacher? Hello?
Yes?
Where do we buy yung uniform ng kids?
Where do we buy ano?
The
Pardon?
uniform. The uniform.
The teacher Karen?
Yes. Okay, you can buy the uniform from our Dr. Allen Rojas building, but for now it's not yet there. No, it will be available. I think it will be available by the end of August.
Okay. So what do we ask our kids to wear?
So you can wear civilian first if there's not available yet. It's not available yet.
Yeah, okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Any more questions?
So let me answer the first question. Is there uniform different from last year, or it's not? It's different. Yeah, it's different. Okay, hi, from July 16 to 26, the Montessori Kinder class is half day only, 9:30 to 11. No, it's not. It's a whole day. It's a whole day program. Maybe Teacher Dulce, can you flash again the schedule for our staggered start? It
Okay,
is on slide 17
Okay,
or
wait.
18.
Okay, wait. I share again. Slide 17.
Or 18.
Can you see it? Hala.
Yeah, it's 18. Please, 18 po.
Wait. Wait,
Yes.
wait. Nakahang sorry. I'll share again. Wait. This is for nursery, and then for the kinder is this one.
18.
Can you see it?
The next page.
The next
Okay,
page.
so for the kinder, it's a full day program. So if your classroom is Montessori A, Montessori B, or Montessori C, okay, you have to come in the morning. It's 9:30 to 11. But you have to come back. After you eat, you have to come back and you have to attend the Montessori Academic Extension Program, which is 12:30 to 3:30. All right. So can you please, the next page, please?
The next page.
19. Yeah.
19.
Next page na. Okay, so for the next page, okay, so if your classroom is happen to be the Montessori D in the morning, so you have to attend the Montessori Academic Extension Program from 8 to 11. So in the afternoon, after you eat, you have to come back to your respective classroom. You have to come back to the Montessori C, which start at 12:30 to 1:45. Right? That is for the staggered start. Okay, will the school service be available from July 16 when the class schedule is still staggered? School service, maybe do we have one from the school service to answer that for us?
Yes, ma'am. The start of our service will be on July 15th.
咱的附小，咱的咱的校学课今年是换新的，拢总是新的。咱的 lunch ko for our lunch, no eating lunch inside the classroom ko is no longer咱的无做吼，今仔個按班咧食咯，so after class 個你就 pick 啲今仔個就按外面食個，了個都還來那人，播都個還來嘅個刷落去嘅 classroom。Okay, uniform ko available at the end of August. Okay, so teacher ko 會創一個團個，就是個阮若有啥物樣嘅消息個，就是會甲恁講。Books and bags should be ordered also. It depends. Kasi ko if you are new students, di ba ko to si charge. Okay, di na siya nga old student naman din nakangkak kya ko iyang dit pa can be used pa. Okay, di at swim yan we. Can wear pantyhose instead of knee socks for girls. Si sambi ko na sige. Peet. Okay. Stockings, white stockings ba?
Naishal, mami?
Yes, white stockings. Ito, pwede.
Okay, tani ako mag-lausher ha. Teacher Marilyn, it's so dit boy.
伊若是叫迄个色上节个不要紧啦，可是看咧那man。Pero 毋是个白的也薄的个。
Okay, so hige pre-uniform for the uniform, shall we pre-order or pay ahead at the start of the school yet? Din etsoy as long as gune available gun size okay loko to si gune inform din ko. So din etsoy sinasi pala you can pay first and then the order muna di sa naulo ko to si kaningkong by the end of August. Okay, all kinder student ABC are considered Monte D in the afternoon. Yes, kunwari din na si Tsaki ko, if you're Tsaki ko to si DC ABC ko, kasi di si Tapan Lokolan tesyon la nege extension program la. Okay, so di Montessori D ko to sila na extension program. Regular start at July 29. Okay, there's a question for the school service. Can there be a route from Malabon to Chiang Kai-shek? School service, please. Please answer the question.
Hello, ma'am. It actually depends on the information that was provided by the driver. We will check on it, ma'am. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Okay. Okay, daycare. How about lunch for daycare kinder? Okay, so kinder students for the daycare, they are allowed to eat inside the classroom. To si classroom pitalo to si anita siya. Okay, meron na ba naka-assign classroom for the kids? Okay, as of now, bo pa. Pero ko dito anigelan na portal ko, student portal di anhita ko anige classes ko to si anhita esya ko di anak classroom si Sami.
几号开学？咱 Montessori 是7月16号开始，7月16号。了，老師請你有法能將迄個臨時課的迄個staggered start 間，迄個家長咧要求的，迄個就是迄個咱的臨時課一點鐘過，則請家長應該合上陣的人。
Okay, Koswaloki, is there a place within the campus that the kids can eat, like a mess hall or dining hall, since they cannot eat in the classroom? Mr. Marilyn?
Yeah, is there a place within the campus that kids can like I'm sorry, kasi lang basement ko, be kui ko, di ECD na si tapan din tyo ki gwa kao zo ui na lang. In we lan o tang bo hige 学弟吧，因为 basement 也可能冲哈。要新生穿自己的衣服吗？是的，你这几个因为咱也个无衫个，暂时咱就是穿便服，就是咱穿较正做的衫，安尼会做得了。老师，我们上到下午的课是王宇珍。妈咪，那个上到下午的课程，过是先到 D 班还是 C 班下个？都等咱的注册部发去看你是属于多一班的个，咱才有可能在注册。伊若说你早起若是伫 A 班。你下晡就是伫 D 班，你若是上午若是伫 D 班个，你下晡就是伫 Monte C 班，好。临时上课是点钟班。妈咪这个伫食咯，伫迄个Stargard 的迄个老师请你个
喂，等下。
迄个点钟，有生可是甲有生。
Stargard 點正嘅時候，中班入啦，自己點正，
對哈，
一定係合唱。
先生甲有生。
Okay, for Montessori D, different building na. Daycare student will be assisted by teachers. Yes, they will be assisted by teachers. Okay, tapos ko ho, an Montessori daycare ko to si iye. Nagdaw ko utsiga personal ko ay kapike chalo ko to si besyong ko swalok ye pan.
临時課就是講咱的這個頭兩個到7月26，因為個也做新生，個也個未適應，個係會較早迄個安尼個，所以咱就是講有一個適應的時期，呢個兩段。
说了 OK 老师，我们上到下午的午餐是在学校吃吗？诶，咱若是放的时阵，个就是你甲放的你的囡仔个去出去食这，了个了做个饭来。你若有你若报阮的迄个 daycare 个，就是按班来食。
Pero 即陣入讀嘅話，食誒老師到時若分配班了個，先是創一個群個，一個就是 Viber 群，了通知各班家己家長來人吼，不然咱袂講若會班無上隆重誒制度。
Okay, it's 12:30. Is there any questions? Yan si 12:30 start siyang ko. Di na diyaw ko to si Chapditiam, di chap or di wat nang sanglay lan pandelo. Chapditiam chago homay.
Are there any more questions?
Memang siya pa ba?
Okay, mami, din siya di siya may bunto eh.
How do you avail for the kindergarten?
Okay. How do we avail for the kinder daycare? Kinder daycare ko ho, din naman ang diretso email registrar@ckse.edu.ph. Ditong register lang na din be daycare din, ineka din tong hige din assessment, diyaw paalalang ang gunhang or online payment as it's din. After July 26, what will be the time for Montessori? For the morning class, 8 to 11 a.m. And then afternoon class, 12:30 to 3:30.老师现在上临时课日托，你的 laptop 孩子要借出来是还是直接在学校？因为这阵啊等阮读去教迄个大班遐的laptop 去，我意思说是大班去搭普通班的个，阮就上时开始个，阮教时特别通知恁啊，因为咱的注册簿也个未互咱迄个名单看上啊是laptop。还是唔用诶，我有好碟托班，你都唔知影上下摆嗬。对不住我妈咪，这个无可能，我在大头开始个，阮有这个这个是录起来诶，录起来个，了该断咧迄个咱诶中正诶迄个 website 个，咱会做随时按下看，吼，这个是录起来诶。较精彩咧了哈，妈咪。
Ano yung bunto? Memang pa ba?
Do we not need to pick up? Okay. No need to pick up po. It will be distributed by your classroom teacher. Yung mga rubber stamp ng name ng mga old student kung nalipat sa ibang section, ibibigay ba doon sa teacher? Yes po, it will be, we will give the stamps to the teacher.
OK，学生的校服是学校到时候会帮孩子量吗？妈咪，阮的上班已经伫遮了个，请讲恁若是有点钟，恁会做你带囡仔来，会做开始订咯。我了，阮是香港订人，因为个8月尾才会怀迄些隆中上时9，连普通班隆中上时9吼。老师可能无问题了呀，好像没有问题。
Okay, habo bunpe la ko ho, gun siya, TikTok e ka tiyong lao le. 那无参加 deep talk 你这贴掉了，share。那康那阿斌那种 slim 你的，
OK 好，好，下张兆宁博士大楼就是迄个专升会游玩迄搭诶，叫老师会先啲给 share 者吼。
什么？一个张照片吧。
新诶，咱隆重诶校服是新诶。
OK，我要 share 什么？
加张兆宁博士大楼
张照你下那个位置。
para inside dito lo lang.
UIB ah.
Ayo.
Wait, hindi. Hanggang ang mouse sandali ah.
Okay.
Okay lang, sandali. Ito. Yan. Sige, si Zhang Zhaoning Mengkao. The old UIB building.
Nasa yung kay Jose lo.
Okay. Tosha có quy cả tiếng cháu ấy để care cả tiếng lão bộ.
The second part is about daycare. Okay, this is the Montessori daycare.
Sige si Montessori đi talk ban.
Okay, for the first day of daycare program, we will start on July 16.
Lần đi talk ban thảo liệt sĩ chít ye za lạc ho bay đi. Tòa ban à, is tòa ban dito.
Okay, for the first day of daycare program, nursery and pre-kinder starts on July 29. And the fetching time is 3:20 p.m.
小班กับ中班7月29號開始啲讀班，你哋做13日呢3點20分。
Okay, lunch time.
午餐你讀班嘅創啥？午餐應該跟佢食，你食，啱班你食。
Okay, you can take a picture of the menu that we will be having.
呢個是你餐單，菜點嘅合上。我應要食啥？7月16號到19號嘅 menu，7月12號到26號嘅 menu。
Okay, now we also ask them to have their toothbrush time.
食了，我哋叫人去洗喙。就是一洗喙嘅上。
Then we ask them to fix their beddings.
洗喙了，應該是家己換衫，換困衫，創因嘅床被，然後因就是要困了。
Okay, for Montessori, kindly bring the following. Okay, for pillow with pillowcase, and then the bed sheet. The size should be 36 by 75, and blanket.
咱 Montessori 的 top 班是 Montessori A 班，然後這就是你床，你請你大枕頭籠、床被及毯啊。
Okay, please put the following details on the label of your child's milk. Child's milk container. Yeah, like name, number of scoops, and the water level.
你要拖囡仔啉牛奶，請恁注意的名，然後嗰個恁帶清楚這個殼啊啥有無會假的，把它這個牛奶的寸偌濟， 已经伫遐咯，我就甲你泡头囡仔啉。本次就是食点心，食
This is the snack time.
要你家己out pay，
Then we ask them to fix their beds.
食点心，
Activity time.
你创啥？你就是继续操作，先时间讲故事当听，写字、擦图、念图。
Okay, what to bring? Sleepwear and a hanger, a toothbrush with cover, toothpaste, and a small cup, pillow with pillowcase, bed sheet, a size is single 36 by 75, and blanket.
你去小朋友就应该带啥？你就带你的裙衫、衫架，带家己起刷、起膏、甲水杯啊，带枕头、甲枕头笼，你的被甲毯啊。请恁家煮面，要伫7月15号，我哋大家，我哋起来小朋友就带来，先时换汤整理。
Okay, you also need to bring extra shirts, shorts or pants, face towel, underwear, one of each, and then comb, brush, tissues, wipes, and face mask.
是我嚟恁带一束衫、长裤、裙啊、内裤、袜、大鸭、卫生纸、甲口罩。
Please label all the things and put them in an eco bag. Label the eco bag as well. If you please include name and section. Pajamas will be brought home every Friday for washing. Please remember to bring it back on Monday of the following week.
请恁将恁所带的物件，甲伊注明，摕咧一个架底。每礼拜5，阮会将伊迄衫轮装带倒去洗，迄被轮装带倒去洗，然后8月再带入来给老师。
Okay, do you have any questions?
你们梦想？
点心是自己带吗？对对对，点心是自己带的。现在还能报日托？可以，可以，直接到那个注册部登记就可以了。老師，已經學多到咗尿到，已經 UIB 嘅上嘅，已經就嘅大門會先即得計。
Wait, I'll share again. Sino kahamay? Drama nga.
OK，
Wait, it's here.
啲食，一做你，阮可以散步啲食過，好，一做尿了，咱要定去看你了要定幾號，安尼會做。這個啦，對對對，你若是大班新生個，你報名的時陣，你若無交入讀的費個，就是 無想做入讀，不過你若是愛入讀，做你通知咱的註冊部，吼，迄個咱的註冊部伊會向的，伊會甲伊加填迄個咱的入讀費用。Daycare kinder no need to bring anything. Water bottle. Yeah. Yes, snack kasi daycare si lunch provided. Pero yes, snack si kay kito. Chamang yako o siya ni buntoy po. Nanikatong kanan Joselo. Mo buntoy.
Okay, if there aren't any more questions, we'd like to thank you for joining the Montessori orientation.
你若無啥物要問咯，阮都下個幾發出過幾點鐘來參加這個家長說明會，下個，再見啦，拜拜。